In the hustle and bustle of building a business, it can be easy to overlook certain inherent risks that could shut you down for good as a business owner. It is easy to get caught up in just being busy. Who has time to think about risk mitigation, tax planning strategies, business preservation techniques, and business continuity issues? It's important to stop and make sure what you want to have happen does happen if the worst thing that can happen happens. For example, what would you do if the most crucial person in your company other than yourself had a major health issue and couldn't come into work for several months? What would happen if your business partner died or just wanted to leave the business? What would you do if your partner got divorced? How would the company owner should be transferred when you're ready to retire? Are you planning to keep this business in the family, sell it to a dedicated employee, or sell it to a third party? Are you taking full advantage of how your business can help you save for retirement? Have you even thought about your own retirement? These are all questions you should have an answer for. Educating yourself about the best practices when it comes to business preservation is absolutely critical. You need to be up to speed on concepts like buy-sell agreements, key person coverage, risk transference, business succession plans, planning for your own retirement, and more. Every company is different, and there is no one-size-fits-all solution, which makes a proper and personal analysis key to minimizing unnecessary or excessive risk. The great Benjamin Franklin once said, "Failure to plan is planning to fail." And nowhere does this ring more true than in business. Reach out to a business preservation specialist today for a free educational consultation on where your business's potential pain points are and what can be done to assure your business builds your wealth. One short meeting can give you the knowledge you need to properly protect what you've worked so hard to build.